Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we've got a big group in Chicago. We're at the ProMat show. And as I was thinking about this, my first trade show was in March of 1981 down in Atlanta for one of these industrial material handling type shows. So we have been doing these for a very long time. So today the material handling booth is in S2363, but we also have an automation team that's over in the North Hall, and they're in N7534. So we've got it covered from both sides. We've got material handling, we got automation. We are ready for customers from all across the United States, including very many from all across the world. So that's what we got this time. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.